Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to share another thing that I learned recently about dua. While walking in the nature, I can't stop reflecting on this sandwich method of the dua which Rasulullah Pak sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught us. Many of you might have watched my last video in that I shared a simple framework for dua taught in the Sunnah. And today I came across another gentle reminder about how we speak to Allah. The Prophet ﷺ once heard a man making dua in prayer. The man started asking Allah for things directly. He didn't begin by praising Allah or sending blessing upon the Prophet ﷺ. After hearing him, the Prophet ﷺ explained something very important. He said that when one of you makes dua, you should begin by praising Allah and then send blessing upon the Prophet, peace be upon him, and after that, ask Allah for whatever you wish. I found this structure really beautiful. It is almost like a small journey within the dua itself. First, we pause, we take a break, and we remember who we are speaking to. We praise Allah, the one who created us, who hears us, and who already knows what is in our heart. Then we send blessing upon the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the one who taught us how to live, how to pray, and even how to ask. And only after that, we began to ask for what we need: forgiveness, guidance, ease in our lives, Jannah, or simply strength for the days ahead. Some scholars even say it's good to end the dua again with praise and blessings, almost like gently wrapping the prayers in gratitude. That's why I use the word sandwich for this mode of asking dua. Walking here in the nature, it reminds me that dua isn't just asking for things, it's a movement of connection, a moment where we slow down and remember Allah. Wallahi, our deen is very beautiful, very easy to follow. Each day we learn something new, so simple, so easy to practice. I will leave you here to reflect on this beautiful way of making dua. Consider it as a gentle reminder and try to practice this method of dua. For now, I will continue my walk. Please don't forget to hit the subscription button. See you soon. Fi aman Allah.